Hard times have come upon us. People are leaving sneaker botting for the promised land of crypto and NFTs. But don't lose hope. The market isn't dead just yet. Yes, bot prices have dropped. So why not use this opportunity to invest in the best bot ever? Which one? Actually, we have a secret weapon that will help you find out. We know how tiring the process of finding the best sneaker bot is. Even the most stable of bots fluctuate in performance. What's an S-tier bot 1 month can be in the D tier the next. Wouldn't it be great if you could just know which bots are exceptional without spending days for research? We thought it would. That's why the Proxyway team has created a tool that clearly shows you which bots are currently at the top of the game. But before I explain how the tool works, let's get to the main reason why you're here. The thing that our new tool helped to create, the ultimate list of best sneaker bots. To make the list well-rounded, we've put all bots into categories. These are overall best bot and best bots for Adidas, Footsites, Nike, Shopify, Supreme, and Yeezy. First up, best overall bot, Prism AIO. It's possibly the only sneaker bot you'll need. Why? Prism beats anti-bot security measures with frequent, fast, and spot-on updates for every module. If you own this bot, expect to score Wheeze from all supported sites. These are Shopify, Supreme, US Footsites, and Yeezy Supply. It also features personal analytics to help you learn from your mistakes and brag about wins. Prism's retail price is $350 with a $50 renewal fee every 3 months. On the secondary market, you can get lifetime access to this bot for around $5,000. The second bot I want to talk about is Trickle, the Yeezy and Adidas killing machine. 4 things makes Trickle so successful. First, its in-house anti-bot protection team. These guys tackle security changes like their life depends on it. Second is the user-friendly interface that will keep you in the loop of everything that's going on. The third is unlimited task support. The sky's the limit here. Finally, there's customer support. You can ping the team anytime you want on the dedicated Discord server, and you'll receive swift assistance. At retail, this bad boy goes for $4.99 for the first month, and then you'll pay $50 per month. If you have your eye on Footsites, Kodai works best with this target. Kodai cooks with pretty much every release. All you need to do is get your hands on it. Kodai's complimentary dashboard is called Kodai Hub. It includes a release calendar with suggested copying settings. Also, retail and resale prices for specified drops. On top of that, it offers a personal analytics page for data-minded users. The first 2 months will cost you $175, then you'll have to pay a $59.99 monthly renewal fee. However, it's very difficult to get this bot at a retail price. Current aftermarket price is $7 to rent for a day on WAP. But there's one thing worth pointing out. At the time of filming this video, Footsites are still using a queue system for their drops. Once, as announced, they start doing raffle releases, the top bot for Footsites might change. So if you're watching this video after the drop system has changed, do use our new secret feature to know which bot is currently the best. All right, on to the next one. Project Enigma is the greatest bot for Nike sneakers. No matter how low-key Project Enigma is trying to seem, people can't stop boasting about its success. To be fair, any kind of success in Nike's store is worth bragging about. But Project Enigma doesn't just cop you a pair. The bot delivers some excellent success rates. You can get this Nike sneakers defeater for around $300. Current aftermarket price to rent is $8 per day. The #1 bot for Shopify is Prism AIO. Prism works like a charm on Shopify. The user interface of its dashboard is top-notch and very beginner-friendly. When it comes to features, Prism will impress you with a one-of-a-kind release calendar and clever task grouping. At retail, this bot goes for $400 with a $150 renewal fee every 3 months. On Bot Broker, you can get a renewal license for this bot for $560. Fan of Supreme? MEKpreme is one of the most efficient bots for the famous red box logo brand. It has even 4 different modes to cop, and if you keep your eye on the bot's Discord channel, you'll receive advice on when to use them. Oh, and if you're worried about CAPTCHAs, don't be. MEKpreme has it all taken care of with an implemented third-party tool, AYCD AutoSolve, to solve them for you. The retail price for MEKpreme is $168 with a renewal fee of $120 every 6 months. On secondary, the bot costs around $3,000. If you didn't know which bots are worth your investment, now you know. Do you agree with the list? Share your thoughts in the comments. So, what's the secret weapon that helped us come up with this list? It's Proxyway's Sneaker Bot Success Tracker. Brand new tool that scrapes Twitter and counts how many times users have mentioned a certain bot in their tweets. All of the scraping is done at our end. No need for you to shed your sweat. What you get are clear and constantly updated graphs that show what bots in their category are at the top. There are 7 categories, and each one covers 5 to 7 bots. To make sure the data you're looking at is relevant, you can select a time frame too. The options are 1 week, a month, and 3 months. By examining the graphs, you know which bots are the best according to Twitter user experiences. Sneaker Bot Success Tracker is completely free. Just go to proxyway.com/sneakerbotsuccesstracker. Of course, we're not telling you to base your buying decisions solely on this data, but knowing the experience of other users can definitely steer you in the right direction. I can already feel how excited you are about trying out Proxyway's new feature. You can find the link to it in the video's description. But if you'd rather listen to me some more, go check out this video about best sneaker proxies. Trust me, it's the best you can get. See you there.